Hello everyone, welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials. Today we will learn on creating deadline tracker. So working as an operation manager or team leader, you have given certain tasks to your teammates and you have set the deadline and you prepared this dashboard and hand over to your team members. Now what they will do, they will come and they will check their deadlines here. Definitely there will be some monitoring so that they will don't miss their task on time. So you also prepare this tracker and share it with your team members so that they will not miss any of the deadline within the timeline, guys, and everything will be completed within the timeline. How this got created, let's learn. Task, you can add it manually. Deadline, it's up to you what is your deadline you want to mention. And rest, what I'll do, I'll add one formula here that is equal to G2 minus the deadline date minus today, and bracket, that's it. Okay, and just drag this formula to the rest of the cells. Yes, now you guys will be wondering like how this 31 days remaining everything got calculated. In the below you can see here I added one code. Okay, so this is one code. You have to copy this entire code. Okay, you have to copy this entire code. I will paste this code in the description also so that easily you can take this code and click on format cell. Right click to this particular cell, go to format cell, or else you can also click on control 1. If you click on control, this is a shortcut. Go to custom. Now paste this formula entirely here. Control V, enter, and drag this formula to all the cell. Automatically, now see here 10 days, there is no gap between here. Okay, let me again do one more calculation. What I can do here is okay, now you can see here there is a gap. Generally what I have done here is in this formula where you can see general days, right, after days I added one space, that's it. Now the formula is working very nicely. You can see here this task need to be completed on 1st Jan 2025. Now you can see here it's 10 days overdue. Rest you can see 10 days remaining, 15 days remaining, 31 days remaining. In this way you can prepare. Still have any doubt, please share your feedbacks in our comment section. Don't miss to like this particular video. Also check out our playlist. You will find many videos, 200 plus videos that will help in cracking your interviews on quality analyst, team leader, operation manager, trainers, Six Sigma certifications, project management, MS Excel dashboards. Many more videos are there, guys. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.